Ever hit send on an international money transfer and then immediately felt that little jolt of anxiety? You know, the one that makes you wonder, is it there yet? Where's my money right now? If you're using Paysend, I've got some good news for you. That feeling of uncertainty? It's about to be a thing of the past. Today, we're diving into exactly how to track your Paysend transfer step by step, so you'll always know where your money is on its journey. Navigating the Paysend app or website is super straightforward. Once you've logged in, your first stop is the History or Transfers section. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. This is where Paysend keeps a neat, chronological record of every transfer you've ever made. Find the specific transfer you want to track and give it a tap or a click. Now, for the magic part. Each transfer has its own unique status, and Paysend is great at keeping these updated in real time. You'll see one of a few key statuses. Processing means your money is on its way, being worked through the system. Sent or completed indicates that the funds have successfully been delivered to the recipient's account. And in the rare case that there's a hold-up, you might see pending or on hold, which usually comes with a clear explanation of what's happening and what, if anything, you need to do. But what if you want more detail? Paysend often provides a tracking number or reference ID for your transfer. This is your golden ticket. You can use this number to check the status directly with their support team if you have any further questions. It's like having a tracking number for a package. It gives you a direct line to the transfer's journey. It's really that simple. By checking the History tab, paying attention to the status indicators, and using the reference number, you can put your mind at ease and stay in the loop. No more guessing, no more anxiety. Just a clear, transparent view of your money's journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.